Alright you guys, so let's check out how to make some really cool Y2K liquid text effect here in Illustrator. So let's take a look. For the font, I'm going to roll with Honey, and let's go and right click on the text and select Create Outlines. Right click on Group, and here we're going to need to rearrange the letters. The main point is to bring them real close and just customize it how you like. So I'm going to try it out like this, and let's go and select all the letters, and here we're going to go to the object, and let's go to Compound Path and select Make. Okay, so next we're going to go here to the Appearance. If you don't have it, you can go to the Windows and select the Appearance. And then here I'm going to go to the Fill, change up the color. And then I'm going to click somewhere here to deselect. Let's go to the Effects. Let's go to Path and select Offset Path. So here we're going to need to decrease the offset from 10 pt. And for example, I'm going to go with 2 pt. Let's go to the Joints and select Around. Click OK. Now we're going to need to duplicate this. So let's go to the offset path again. Let's drag it to the plus here to duplicate. And let's go to the offset path to the second one. Click on that. And now here we're going to decrease it to minus. For example, -2, but you can customize that however you like. For example, I like it on -1. So basically it's going to look something like this. Now you can also customize this a little bit further. For example, I'm going to select this and let's go and select the direct selection tool. For example, I'm going to select the interior parts here and then just re-customize these parts to make it more interesting. And then if you want to add some other elements, let's deselect and select it again. We're going to need to double click on this. And for example, I'm going to select the rectangle to create a rectangle, and check this out. It is going to adapt to this liquid effect automatically, which is really nice. You also can duplicate that. By the way, you also can add stroke if you want, change up the color, and there you go. Yeah, pretty much that's it. Thanks for watching and see you on the next one.